Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling system protection so Windows can make restore points automatically. Open Start, type Create a Restore Point, and press Enter. This takes you straight to System Properties. Select your system drive, click Configure, and turn on System Protection. This allows Windows to save snapshots. Set max usage to around 5% to 10% so points don't fill the drive. Once done, click Apply and OK to commit settings. This is necessary so scheduled tasks can create points later. Next, you create a scheduled task that runs Windows checkpoint command. Open Task Scheduler and choose Create Task. Name it something like Auto Restore Point. Under Triggers, add a daily trigger or choose at Logon depending on when you want points. Then add an action. Start a program and use PowerShell as the program with the argument command, checkpoint computer description, auto RP restore point type modify settings. Make sure to run with highest privileges and set to run whether user is logged on or not. Finally, you test the task and know how to fix common issues. Run the scheduled task manually and then open System Properties System Restore to confirm a new restore point appears. If it did not run, check Task Scheduler history for errors, verify PowerShell execution policy allows the command, and ensure the task is set to run with highest privileges. Also confirm system protection is still enabled for the drive. Once verified, your automatic restore points will protect you against bad installs or system changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.